Ember temperature control. Smart Mug 2, 10 ounces, app-controlled heated coffee mug with 80 minutes battery life and improved design. Introducing the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2, your new companion for the perfect coffee experience. This isn't just a mug, it's a smart mug with an extended battery life. It keeps your drink at your preferred temperature for up to 80 minutes on a full charge. And with its redesigned charging coaster, your drink stays warm all day. It's the perfect balance of convenience and technology. Pair this temperature control mug with the Ember app for a personalized experience. Set your temperature, customize presets, and more. But don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. This self-heating coffee mug functions perfectly without the app, remembering your last used temperature. The Ember Smart Mug is intelligent. It knows when to turn on and off, entering sleep mode when empty or after 2 hours of inactivity. But it's always ready for you. Ember wakes up when it senses movement or liquid. The mug's updated scratch-resistant coating is safe to hand wash. It's designed for everyday use, with a touch of elegance. Ember Mug 2 is IPX7 rated and fully submersible up to 1 meter deep. It's not just smart, it's durable too. This is more than just a mug. It's a lifestyle. It's about savoring every sip of your favorite drink at the perfect temperature. The Ember Smart Mug is the perfect gift for anyone who appreciates a life well sipped. Whether it's a gift for yourself or someone else, the Ember Smart Mug is a statement of warmth and care. Experience the joy of a favorite drink at just the right temperature, every time. Choose Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2 and elevate your coffee experience.